Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power a equals 400. You have to find the value of a. For this purpose we will solve this step by step by using the log method. First of all, we will write this as 4 raised to power a can be write as log 4 raised to power a equals log of 400. Now a can be write in the start according to the rule of power. So a log 4 equals log 400. Now we can write log 400 as log 4 multiply 100 and divided by log 4. So we can be split this as log 4 plus log 100 and this is divided by log 4. Now we will split this also as log 4 by log 4 plus log 100 by 4. So log 4 are cancel out and we have 1 in place of this. So have 1 plus, and log 100 can be write as log 10 square and log 4 can be write as log 2 square. So 2 will be in the start and we have 1 plus 2 log of 10 divided by 2 log of 4. Now we will again split this. So 2 and 2 are cancel out and we have 1 plus log 10 can be write as log of 2 multiply 5 divided by log of 2. So this will be right 1 plus log of 2 by log of 2 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2. So this and this cancel out, we have 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2, and here we apply the change base rule. According to that, log of bases 2 and 5. So this will be the answer. So we will write as the value of a will be 2 plus log bases 2 and 5. Now we will verify this is our answer is right or wrong. So for verification, we will substitute in the left hand side and get answer in the right hand side. So 4 raised to power a, 4 can be write as 2 raised to power 2. We will put the value of a, that is 2 plus log base is 2 and 5. Now we will multiply this. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 raised to power 2 into log base is 2 5. This 2 can be write as in the power. So 2 raised to power 4 means 2 multiply 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this is 16 and here we have log base is 2 and 25. Now here we apply the log rule. According to that, if log base is a and this is also in the power of a power log base is a and b, so this is equal b. So we have 16 multiplied by this one 25. Now we multiply 16 and 25. So 25 into 16, 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carry, 6 2s are 18 and 150. So 5 and 2 So we have 400. It's mean that we got the answer, that is 400, which is equals right hand side. So you can see by taking left hand side we have verified that our value of A is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.